Taco Tuesday.
It's Taco Tuesday.
6:11 p.m.
We're here with Tory. Hi, Tory, baby. And Mom. Hi, Mom. And we're here to try the tacos and see if we were right and they're the best. This is my friend Toast, came from Colorado. Hi, Tory.
Hello.
Okay, let's go get some tacos.
And believe it is again Taco Tuesday, baby.
Let's get food.
Okay.
Food.
I love horchata.
You never had it, right?
Yeah, I haven't. Found you! Taco truck is its place now. We can go get.
Just me and Naomi's mom.
Yeah.
That's far.
On a Tuesday, and you know what that means,
Wait,
baby.
let me come. What that does that mean? Don't tell them.
And we just do a simple
Don't
drum
tell
roll
them what
until we
it
go,
means.
you know, keep it nice and fresh. And
What's that?
Good. This is a good start. Nice and smooth.
I was not supposed to be moved this season.
Does it happen a lot? I don't even know.
Well, if we play back and we look at our first
Oh,
intro,
so I'm gonna do a lot of editing. Oh yeah, that's good.
then
Okay,
you
let's
notice. You know what I'm talking about.
Taco Tuesday Season 2, the remaster.
Yes, it is a Tuesday, and we're doing Taco Tuesday once again because, you know, we thought it was pretty awesome before we named which ones were hotter, but we brought our top 2 taco trucks out, and we've got our top ladies out here to tell us we were correct.
Hi, I'm Tony and I'm Greek.
And I'm Devontae, and I'm American.
I'm Tory and I'm American.
I'm Billy and I'm Greek. Yay! See, we didn't even have to tell them, they knew. So this is my mom.
Yes,
Say
yes.
hi, mom. Hi, mom. And this is my friend Tory, and everything's we're sisters, but we're not. We're spirit sisters. Food.
Soul sisters.
Soul sisters. Food. Which place is this, Devante Moon?
Yes.
We got more from Marcus.
It doesn't
Again,
say,
we got-
but I think
Thank you.
because we got less food at least.
We
Yes.
got Al Pastor tacos, of course. From our first truck, we had to check out the Leo's taco truck again, you know.
Yeah.
Such a tradition around here. We had to give them one more shot. And, of course, the numero uno, or should I say, the numero uno.
Good job, Devante Moon!
That one last time, El Flamin' Taco. Let's get this comparison, baby.
Okay, well, I forgot they have
Whoa.
pineapple in it.
Oh yeah, and they get all different.
We also
Yes.
have
I like
to have
that
you try
about
your
them though.
horchata.
Yeah, I will. Don't worry. It's from the
Which I
second-
thought was weird too, but actually our friend who's from Mexico,
From the second place.
Bianca, she said that it's pretty popular to throw pineapples on tacos, right?
Interesting.
Right?
You didn't sound interested.
Right?
It is
You were
interesting.
right. I wouldn't
Yeah,
know
thank you. Thank
But
you
it
so
also
much.
smells not good.
I hope she sees this.
Mommy here. Oh, Bianca.
No, you.
Me, what did I do?
All my questions that I just directed at you.
And you can answer.
I'm sorry, I was trying to separate the food. I'm sorry. Okay, let me put this away for a second because now we're at Leo's. Okay, the bottom here, take one. And we put, these are all from Leo's, so you put whatever you want on top of it. So,
I'll try it
These
first.
are,
Yeah.
There's two here, you have that one.
see what she said? She's a professional. I said you can put whatever you want on it. It's like, I'll try it first, so she knows how it is bare.
It looks like someone took
Oh, wait, we
Skin.
gotta get the...
someone's ribs.
Don't make me puke.
These all sauces from Leo's? Yes. Perfect.
Okay.
Dry.
Gotta throw on the cilantro and
nice.
onions.
I mean, it is dry because
Here, I gotta get
I
some
give all
new-
these things.
Here you
It's
go.
not too dry. It's not too dry.
Tory, can you speak?
What happened?
I'm sorry, I was lifting something up as I was asking. Honestly, I
Story
have a lot of
got
muscle.
very good sour cream. Don't hate
Because
us.
life is better with a dollop of daisy.
Yeah. What is this?
Cilantro and onion.
Now we need to be monetized
No?
by
No,
Daisy.
I'm not fan
I
of it.
mean,
Oh, no
Daisy.
cilantro and onion.
can we put
Lime?
What is the red thing there?
Hot sauce.
no this one?
Can we get a spoon?
No, the red sauce.
Can we get a spoon?
Can we get a spoon, please? Thank you. Mom, rescue. Let's see what's outside.
Mamula!
Manula! Did you see everyone? This channel is learning a little Greek too. That's so nice. Okay. I feel we're being burned a little bit by the light. Can we put a little more back? I think it's a little whitewashed. But I may be wrong.
I think we're just really white.
Okay, that's also.
I think we look normal.
I-
Well, maybe a little bit more on Veely. She's getting a little whitewashed, but
yeah, me too. Because she's my mom. Look, I matched the wall. I'm the same color with the wall. Look there.
No, I know, but I'm just making sure you don't.
I'm
match
not
it in
the
person.
wall.
Yeah.
The hot sauce is hot. Don't put that. I won't.
You know I gotta have all the juices on that baby.
Okay, we are trying.
Yes.
Everybody has tried?
Yes. Try.
Yes, this is all Lido's tacos right here. Because we do judge the accessories as well.
Yes.
You know?
I wanna see how it is with these two. So I took a bite by. Look, I'm a scientist.
Oh.
I took a bite with nothing. I took a bite with everything. Now I'm taking a bite with sour cream.
All or nothing, baby.
It
I want
tastes
you to
better
try the
than
sour
it
cream by
smells.
itself first. No. Scientist.
So, oh yes, we gotta bring back something that we haven't brought back in a few episodes. Of course, the original 1 through 10.
Oh.
Bing Bam Boogie, baby. As you guys are probably aware, number 10 will be supremely delicious. Number 1 will be
Zero.
not delicious at all. You know, and we're kind of judging between there. 5 is okay, right there in the medium. If it's better than okay, worse, we kind of judge it from there.
Yeah,
Let's
here is
check
a.
it out.
Oh, shut up.
You said it smells.
Do you
or
like
tastes-
it? You like it? Are we just hungry?
It tastes better than it smells.
Yes.
Mm.
I would say
The smell was,
The smell was
was
one.
a bit.
This is mine.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I can't wait to try it.
The smell was one.
One is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
The
love
smell.
The
The
smell
smell was
was
really bad.
minus
No, no,
3.
but one
Mine
is here
is
and it's
3 on
here.
the smell.
I thought you were.
It does smell
thought you
weird.
were
I never
spicy.
even knew.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I'm just doing hand gestures. I'm Italian.
Nice.
Mm.
And
I'm
Greek.
I mixed
Yeah,
a few
no.
cultures in there.
Good taste
but
though?
The taste
The
was,
taste was okay.
I feel like 8. The first bite was a little
Yeah.
underwhelming,
An 8?
But you hadn't put anything on it.
but I hadn't put anything on it, and I think I just got, like, meat.
If you had to
But-
number it 1 through
I
10,
like
what
the
would you say?
pineapple on it.
I think 7 because I want to compare it also with the others. So 7.
scientist. My mom is a mechanical engineer, and you can tell.
Oh, yeah.
I don't do anything.
What do you mean? You're perfect.
Yeah.
Aw.
Think we don't know what we're talking about? We got smart people on this time. Yeah.
All the other guests like, this time!
Excuse me.
Yeah, season 1. Can we try this before we continue? Because
Yes.
I really want to try.
We got something new as
You're
well.
asking them?
Leonie's never tried horchata
checking if
before.
we're recording.
What is this?
Horchata. So
Horchata.
it's pretty much, it's almost like,
It's like rice milk.
yeah,
right?
rice milk. So they
Like
call it
sake?
leche
No.
and
Leche.
cinnamon.
Sorry.
So it's like a cinnamon milk type
So
drink.
good.
I don't like cinnamon. No, I'm less excited.
Well, let's see how you feel about this
It's not
one.
like
That looks
overwhelmingly.
really pretty.
It's not like overwhelmingly.
Mommy, try it. You've never tried it either.
It's clear though.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it. Can they see it?
I think so.
Maybe.
I'll try.
Can they see?
So,
It's
listen,
white. It's
let's
white.
do I'll
Looks like
kill
milk.
it. Let's do what our friends that speak Spanish do. I'll kill it. So it's arriba, abajo, al centro, para dentro. When we go out, they do that. Did you try it? Try. Try.
Where is my...
Here.
Oh, I just completely ripped off the lid. I was ready.
Let's do this. Mine's almost gone. I love horchata.
Yes?
If you don't like it, I'll drink it.
Okay.
I'm trying to decide.
Oh,
Okay.
The good thing,
Arriba.
arriba, abajo, al centro, para dentro.
Yeah, you have to do pretty good.
I hope.
Because you have the correct accent. I can't do that. I sound like I'm ignorant.
It's good.
nice. It's a success, baby.
You know,
She likes it.
I liked after the first sip, it was like
Oh.
everywhere. You know, I felt it.
Oh yeah.
That sounds intense.
I know. Yeah.
It was that was really good.
What a feeling.
But like I like it. But then at sometimes the cinnamon is a little overpowering, but not too much. It's like I don't like. I like.
Yeah. Dano's not a fan of cinnamon at all. So
Yeah.
even for her to be drinking this though, that's pretty impressive. I'd say.
Yeah, like
She doesn't even like cinnamon toast crunch as
What?
you, not the cereal.
What a psycho.
Yeah. As you guys seen in the cereal videos, I have been trying, and I will continue.
You know what's the only cereal that I liked?
What?
Kellogg's.
Kellogg's. She likes
Simple one.
the one with no, not
With
even frosted
nothing.
flakes.
Well, we have to boycott them now.
Kellogg's. But that's
They should
good.
be
I like it. This
They
is
just
like
fired
a.
a whole bunch.
I like how the milk's is really sweet, and it's almost like a
damn it.
subtle hint of cinnamon.
Why is everything that I love bad?
Because
Out of drinks like fruity or like flavored drinks, how would you rate the horchata on that 1 to 10 list?
I don't like so much sweet drinks. It's very nice, but I would give it a 5.
Oh.
It's so good.
No, it's the
Sorry,
same
you want
thing.
it?
What would you,
if you're not gonna
What do
drink
you-
it,
and there
I'll
goes the
have
5. What do you
Let's
think,
see
Theonomo?
this. Oh. I'll put the 6, but like I wouldn't be like, let's buy a horchata. But if you gave me, I'd be like, yeah. You know?
Oh no.
that's fine.
Damn boogie. Alright, are we moving on to the next?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's leave this here for later. I'm not. I don't know where to put this because I've tried them before. You
On
know.
the floor.
No, I meant scale wise.
Oh,
I thought you liked them, Tory.
I do, but just because we're running out of room.
I was kidding.
Well, good.
Okay, I'm so excited for this. It has tomato in it. My mom's gonna hate it, but I love
Yes, that was the difference too with El Flamin' Taco. They had so many more sides to throw on top of there for us.
I really love
No
that
pineapples.
name. What? It gets 10 out of 10 just for being called El Flaming Taco.
it. That was the winner last time. This place.
Yes.
This
It
is
was
fantastic.
much more
I
expensive.
don't
Nice.
know what it is, but it already tastes
I believe that's the jalapeno
Because I put
sauce.
everything. And look, I'm so excited for this one.
Look at that heart attack.
It is.
What is this?
potatoes with meat and guac.
They're carne asada. Carne asada.
I want the fry. I want the fries.
Fries.
I think this is
Ah, so French. The fry broken too.
Two.
it's really good.
Nice, nice. Now to check out
Nice, nice.
the mates. They have pineapples too. They must have heard it. They must have watched your video. That's
They
it.
must
So like we need to step up the game
Yeah.
because the other place got +1.
Well, thank you.
These
Thank you for
napkins
putting
look
this.
So
like they're
this one
already used.
Is
And
yeah,
they're a little
Wow.
bit damp.
Just the whole look of the meat itself is delicious.
yeah, and this
How
one
it
is
is
2
in
for
there.
each. Let's
Oh
try.
my god.
Okay, let's do it. Game time.
So terrifying.
Can I take some of this?
Yes, of course. That is yours.
This.
I thought we were testing the tacos.
Can I try it now? Are you done?
Oh. I think I do like. I think I do like Leo's tacos hot sauce better though.
Really? Why? The red one.
But this one just seems more peppery almost. To it, where it'll make me cough.
Okay, let me try the taco
Let me see.
dry.
Yeah, this one just has a smooth flavor on it. I really love this hot sauce. That's amazing. This one's a little bit more like just real peppery.
Can you put some on top of mine when you have a second?
This one?
Yes, please.
Oh, that smells strong.
See, I feel like the
Oh.
meat is better, but I like the tortilla is cold more than the other one so far.
I'm getting second round in picks this
Yeah,
time.
what's
Oh, flaming
happening?
taco.
Can you open this, please?
I like this one a lot.
Let me try. I like the green sauce.
Yeah, that one is more of like the avocado guac sauce. Which is not offered at the other one. So, more bonus points.
Okay. I just remembered quite one last time. I had it with everything. What do you think, Mom?
I haven't tried the taco yet, but this one is really good.
The overall mix of everything, the tenderness of the meat. Oh man, that's really good. It's really good.
But I wanna say,
I don't want to say anything too much yet because we want to let our competitors decide.
Competitors?
Our allies, our fellow blended
I wasn't prepared to fight.
blended members. And if you have any fun ideas for blended members' names, we can try and blendickers.
The blenders.
The blenders, I mean fellow blenders.
I'm buying.
That might be the
Let's see,
winner.
let's see who wins.
Let's see. But that would be pretty awesome. We need it.
Mom, did you try the tacos?
Yeah.
What did you think?
I put a lot of the hot sauce.
Oh,
He's dying.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying.
it wasn't supposed to be a spicy challenge.
Yeah. I was very ambitious.
Man.
Oh no.
But she's still eating it. That's how
Yeah,
good it
it's
is.
good. It's really good. What?
Powers through.
So, oh man, the only downside is that I'm starting to get full. But I want to eat more. So,
But isn't it
I
good?
should have put on my stretchy pants.
I want to know which one is the best. What do you think, Miss Tory?
I think this one, yeah.
El Flamin' Taco has got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is better, yeah.
Mm.
Clearly.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Why? But wait. She said clearly. Why?
Yes.
Because the first one, the smell was really bad. And this one, I think, is much better.
I think
Yeah.
the first one they're secretly feeding us human meat.
Yeah, I don't know why it smells so
Oh my
weird too.
God.
If it's both al pastor meat, they should not smell
It's
so
human.
different. you know?
That looks so much like the meat off of your ribs.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
puke. Let's change the subject.
I'm sure they're both completely edible meats.
I mean, human's still edible.
Let's change the subject.
No, the taste was okay, but the smell.
You need to let me know
was-
the ratings before, like, give me a script or
No, that's
something.
okay.
Your oldest, so I don't know.
It's okay for them.
What's
I'm
allowed?
gonna puke.
I don't know what's allowed on this channel. I was prepped.
Alright.
I'm just
I tried to
hungry.
try. I know.
This is so amazing.
I don't even know these people.
This is
Just
great.
They picked me up off the street. I was just trying to go home.
Hey, we fed you.
Yes. It's
You have 10
Yes.
potatoes.
It's fine. I'll get there. I'll get home someday. I don't know. Do I just grab them?
They abducted me, but at least they ate me. They ate me.
Oh my god.
They fed me on.
Oh god.
That's not well. What rating would you give now to both places now that you know? From 1 to 10.
The other one was a 7.
You can change it if you want, or you can do it there.
No, okay, it was not
Sticking
bad.
strong.
It wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad, no. I would put this at a 9.
9. Just under the 10.
No.
Not
I feel
perfect.
like for mine it was 9 too. Does price? Did we include price? I guess it
They
was
were
just strictly taste.
I mean, taste mostly
Look-
because price. Sorry.
I think for me, if we're including everything, it would be a 9 because the price. They just. I'm just mind blown by the $1 for that sour cream. It's this. That $1.
You heard it. If you want that 10 off lemon, you better. Bigger sour creams.
50 cents.
Hey.
You know, I like supporting local businesses, but
Hey,
no.
I have a question. Do you think that they put the sour cream at $1 so you don't have it with it because they really don't want you to like? Because you told me that your friend
Oh.
would get.
Maybe they're just mad.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, you want sour cream? Pay me $1.
Yeah, they're
It's
like,
like
you're
when
gonna have to pay for ruining our food.
Exactly.
Yeah, like you go to a restaurant and you're like, can I have some salt?
Can I have some ketchup?
Oh yeah, it might be insulting.
Exactly. It was my idea.
Oh, I like that we got that at the same time. That was it.
Insulting.
That happened at the same time.
You heard.
We're the same person, turns out. I may
like,
look like Theone.
In the end, Flamin' Taco comes out #1
again.
Flavin'
Again.
taco.
We did get some little sidebars from it that we didn't get last time, so it didn't all the way get to that 10 bar as we liked, but let's sit it at that 9 and it's still the
I'm-
#1 taco truck in our eyes.
And also, I'm really bad with spice. So if anyone else out there is bad with spice, these are perfectly fine for you. They're not too spicy at all.
Yes,
They're
but-
actually, they're not very hot. I mean, they have the
If
hot
you don't
sauces.
use this.
They have the hot sauces. The hot sauces I will get you, but just plain. They're safe to order if you can't handle spice.
Yes.
The wee babies.
Oh no.
Yeah.
We are sour cream. Thank
To
you
eat
so
your
much.
sour cream.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us on our blended season 2.
We're like Greek American. So thank you so much for joining and watching. Please.
Like, subscribe, hit that little ring ding bell, because you know, we love it and we love to see you guys, so we love the support. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Until the next time.
Catch you late.
Salele!